The law of sines uses proportions to find missing sides of a triangle. The law of sines states that if you know A and angle A, which will give you sine A, that ratio is equal to side B over sine B, and it's also equal to the ratio of side C over sine C. So if you have two angles and a side, you can find that other side using this ratio or proportion. So let me fill in what I have here. Angle A is 105 degrees. Side A we don't have, so I'm going to label it A, opposite angle A. Angle B is 27 degrees, and side B opposite that is 110. And so I see that I have an angle and the side opposite it. I have an angle, and I'm looking for the other side opposite that. So what we see here, the setup is angle, angle, side, and that's what you need to be able to use the law of sines. And so this is what I set up, that I have a side of 110. The angle opposite it is B, so that's sine 27 equal to the side that I'm looking for, we're calling A, over sine of that angle opposite, that is 105. And so with a little bit of just cross multiplication algebra, when I cross multiply these, I get 110 sine 105 equal to A sine 27. So I need to divide by sine 27 divided by sine 27, and this will give me side A. I type this whole thing in. So let's see, 110 times sine 105, close my parentheses. I'll hit enter there just to make sure I'm doing everything proper. Divided by sine 27 is 243. I'll just go to the nearest whole number, so 243. To 234, excuse me. So A is 234 units, whether it be miles, inches, yards, whatever. The only thing to keep in mind here is sometimes what they'll give you is, instead of these angular measurements, like angle A is 105, angle B is 27, they might say sine A is 3/4 or sine B is 5/12. And if that's the case, if they say that, for example, sine A is 1/2, you're not going to, in your proportion, do 110 over sine 1/2. You're going to do 110 over 1/2. So remember, it's either sine A or it's the ratio equal to sine A. Sometimes we confuse those two options. But this is the final answer, 234 for side A. Now from here we could go further and find possible angle measurements for C, but that has to do with the ambiguous case, which will be in the next video.